The Spanish Navy currently owns two Galicia-class landing platform docks, the Galicia L-51 and the Castilla L-52. The class was built by Navantia for amphibious warfare, as well as can be deployed as a logistical support role in both military and civilian operations. Galicia was commissioned in 1998 and Castilla in 2000. They are the result of a joint project between Spain and the Netherlands to develop a common class of LPD that could fulfill the needs of both countries to replace older ships. The project, which began in the early 1990s, was designed to transport a battalion of Marines and disembark them offshore and general logistic support. The ships have a full displacement of about 13,815 tons, a length of 160 meters, a beam of 25 meters, and a draft of 5.9 meters. The class can transport a full battalion of Marines and their equipment. The Galicia can carry up to 543 fully equipped troops and an additional 72 air crew, special operations staff, or training crew. The Castilla can carry up to 404 fully equipped troops and 72 special staff and air crew members. The Galicia class have a 60 by 25 meter flight deck, capable of operating helicopters. The vessels have hangar area for 4 heavy or 6 medium helicopters. The LPDs usually sail with 6 AB-212 or 4 SH-3D helicopters embarked. Their well deck is capable of operating 6 landing craft vehicles and personnel and 4 landing craft mechanized, or 1 landing craft utility and 1 LCVP. Normally, they operate with 4 LCM-1E craft. Within the ship, there is about 1,000 square meters of parking space for up to 130 armored personnel carriers, or 33 main battle tanks. However, a maximum of 170 vehicles can be carried depending on size. The Galicia class is armed with 2 overlicking contravers, 20mm cannon, but can be fitted with 4. They also mount 6 Sipican high-core SRBOC Mark 36 chaff launchers. The Galicia class is equipped with KH-1007 air search radar and ANTPX-54 identification friend or foe. The ship's propulsion system is powered by 4 Caterpillar 36 12 diesel engines, initially creating 12,500 horsepower, though this was later increased to 22,000 horsepower and a 1,500 horsepower electric generator. Each vessel has 4 shafts with 4-meter, 5-bladed variable pitch propellers. The ships also mount 1 bow thruster, initially capable of 680 horsepower, but was later improved to 1,800 horsepower. This gives the ships a maximum speed of 20 knots and a range of 6,000 nautical miles at 12 knots.